Okay, it's 11 o'clock on January 4th, and it's already coming down pretty heavily. Expecting blizzard-like conditions in the next few hours, so keep us updated. So cold. Okay, well, here we are. It is January 5th, and well after 3 o'clock. Yep. Goodness. It's a full-on blizzard out here. Woo. Okay, I'm in my backyard now. You can definitely tell that we were gotten at least 6 inches of snow, if not more. Everything is completely covered back here. It's pretty beautiful. It's a sight to see, that's for sure. I think the biggest thing I forgot to mention is how cold it is out here. It is freezing. I think it's supposed to drop down to about 7 degrees. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think it's time to go inside.